everyone, welcome to Shipra Easy Learning. In the last lecture we have seen about basic idea of quadratic equation. As you know, in the last lecture we have started our new chapter, that is quadratic equation. I have given you some idea about quadratic equation in last chapter, and we have solved some basic questions related of quadratic equation. In today's lecture we are going to solve some quadratic equation sums by factorization method. So एंड प्लीज़ अगर मेरा चैनल सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो जल्द से जल्द सब्सक्राइब कीजिए एंड बेल आइकन को प्रेस कीजिए, जिससे आपको मेरे नए वीडियो की नोटिफिकेशन जल्द से जल्द मिलेंगी. सो हम स्टार्ट करते हैं आज का लेक्चर, क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन बाय फैक्टराइजेशन मेथड. सो फैक्टराइजेशन मेथड क्या होती है? फैक्टराइजेशन जब हम कोई भी एक नंबर का फैक्टर्स निकालते. फैक्टर्स कैसे निकालते? सपोज मुझे ये सम में चाहिए, मुझे 20 का फैक्टर चाहिए, तो 20 का फैक्टर कैसे निकालूंगी? सिंपली 20 जिसके टेबल में आता है वो नंबर हम टर्न बाय टर्न लेंगे. सपोज 2 से स्टार्ट करेंगे, लोएस्ट नंबर 2. सो 2 से डिविजिबल है ऑब्वियसली, 2 10 जा 20. अगेन 10 इज ऑल्सो डिविजिबल बाय 2, सो 2 5 जा 10. Now 5 is not divisible by any other number, only 5 is divisible by 5, so 5 ones are 5. At last I want here number 1. If number 1 comes here, then the factorization has been completed here. So what is the number? 2 into 2 into 5. That is, if you multiply, the number is itself is 20. That is 2 2s are 4, 4 5s are 20. So my factorization is correct, right? So in this sum, the question is x square plus x minus 20 is equals to 0. This is an equation, right? So while solving factorization, what we have to do is first multiply. When there is no coefficient before x, I replace it by 1. So 20 ones are 20, right? So 20 ones are 20. I have written here the factorization of 20, right? So the middle number is only x. Only x means this is 1x, right? So I'm going to multiply both this number, right? After multiplying, whatever the factors is going to be here, so after adding and subtracting that number, I want the middle number, right? I want the middle term. So 20 ones are 20. I have written here the factors. 2 2s are 4, 4 5s are 20. But what number I want here is 1. So how will 1 come here? So see here, 2 2s are 4, 4 into 5, that is 20, right? 4 5s are 20. But 5 minus 4 is 1. So my condition is satisfied, right? By multiplying the number, I want this last digit number, and sorry, not last digit, but multiplying both this digit, whatever digit is coming, I want that digit, and after minusing or adding it, I want the middle term. So my condition is fulfilled here. So what I'm going to replace is here x square plus 5x minus 4x minus 20 is equals to 0. Now another question is, why I have written here plus 5 and I have written here minus 4? I can even write here that minus 5x and plus 4x, but the main condition is the sign represented here. I have plus sign before x, so the bigger number gets the sign which is represented before x, right? Before x, it is plus. 5 is bigger than the 4, so I am going to place plus sign before 5, right? So 5 minus 4 becomes x. 5 4s are 20, the condition I wanted, right? Now factorization of these two number. Now what is the common between these two? X, right? So I have taken out x outside the bracket. Now what is remaining here? X plus only 5, because x has come out, right? So this bracket is over. Now another bracket. What is common here? 4. Now what is left inside the bracket? X. This is minus becomes plus. Now if 4 has been taken out, then what is remaining here? 4 5s are 20, so 5 is equals to 0. Now again x minus 4 and x plus 5 is equals to 0, right? So x minus 4 is equals to 0, right? Or another option is x plus 5 is equals to 0. Now x minus 4 is equals to 0 or x plus 5 is equals to 0. Again, this is minus 4. When minus 4 shift this side, it becomes plus 4. So x is equals to plus 4. I got one value of x. Now another x, this is plus 5. When it will be shifting this side, becomes minus 5. So x is equals to minus 5. I think so you have understood this question. I got two equation, that is x is got two numbers, that is x is equals to 4 and x is equals to minus 5 for this question. So now second question is, the second sum is 5m square is equals to 22m plus 15. See here the condition have changed here. 5m square then is equals to then 22m plus 15. So in this case you have to shift this 22m and 15 into this side, right? So 5m square, this is plus 22. When I'm going to shift plus 22 this side, it becomes minus 22m plus 15. Shifting this side becomes minus 15 is equals to 0, right? So अभी हम इन दोनों को यहाँ पे शिफ्ट कर चुके हैं, राइट? वी हैव शिफ्टेड दिस बोथ दिस नंबर टू नेक्स्ट साइड. अभी नेक्स्ट स्टेप क्या है? नेक्स्ट स्टेप क्या है? फर्स्ट टर्म एंड लास्ट टर्म को मल्टीप्लाई करना है. मल्टीप्लाइंग द फर्स्ट टर्म एंड द लास्ट टर्म, राइट? फर्स्ट टर्म एंड लास्ट टर्म को हम मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, उसका जो आंसर आता है उसका हम फैक्टर निकालेंगे, राइट? Whatever the answer comes by multiplying first and the last term, we do the factorization of that number. So 15 5s are 75. So factors of 75. So this is 75. Now is it divisible by 2? No. Why? Because for divisibility of 2, I want 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 at the last place, right? At the ones place I want this digit 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8. If with the last place 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 is there, then it is divisible by 2. Otherwise it is not divisible by 2. For 3, what is divisibility by 3? Then you have to add both this number. This is 75. So 7 plus 5. 7 plus 5 is 12. So in 3's table 12 is there. So it is divisible by 3. So I'm going to take here 3. 75. 3 2s are 6. Carry 1. 3 5s are 15. Right? Again last digit is 5. So it is not divisible by 2. Again divisible by 3. 5 plus 2 becomes 7. So it is also not divisible by 3. Again 4. For 4 the same condition 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. If 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 comes in the ones place, then it is divisible by 2 or 4. Otherwise, it is not divisible by 2 and 4. So, next number is 5. Again, for 5, at the last place, at ones place, there should be 0 or 5. At the ones place, if it is 0 or if it is 5, then it is divisible by 5. So, see here, it is divisible by 5. That is 5. 5s are 25. Again, not possible by 2, not possible by 3, not possible by 4, but it is possible by 5. So I got 1 at last. So my factorization have been completed here. So what is the number? 3 into 5 into 5. 3 into 5 into 5. See, 5 5s are 25, 25 3s are 75. Now, which is the middle term? 22 minus 22. Don't forget the sign. Minus 22. Now I want here minus 22. So see here how you can adjust this number. Simple. 5 5s are 25. 25 minus 3, that is 22. I think you have understood till here, right? So 5m square minus 25m plus 3m minus 15 is equals to 0. Again I am repeating the same thing. See, minus sign is here before 22. So, greater number is 25. So, greater number is 25. So, I am putting minus before 25 because the sign comes with the number, right? Minus 25 plus 3 becomes minus 22. 25 3s are 75, which is the multiplication of first and the last digit. And after adding or subtracting, I got the middle term. I think so you understood till here. See, now pairing. I have paired this two number and this two number. See now what is common? Common in the sense that the smallest number we have to put it outside, right? So see here 5 and m. Now what is remaining? Here nothing. 5 I have taken out. M square. M square means m into m. That is double m. So m into m. 1 m has been taken out. What is remaining here? Only m. Minus. Now 5 I have taken out from 5. 5 5s are 25, right? So what is remaining here? 5. As 5 is 25 is divisible by 5, so I have taken here 5 outside, right? If 25 won't be divisible by 5, then I haven't taken out 5 as a common, right? So next, 3m minus 15. Is 15 divisible by 3? Obviously yes. So plus 3. Now what is remaining inside? M minus. If it is divisible by 3, then at what number? That is 5 is equals to 0. Right? Now what the number I have got is 5m plus 3 is equals to 0, or m minus 5 is equals to 0. Now this is plus 3. When it will be shifting this side, it will become minus 3. 5m is equals to minus 3, or m is equals to 5. Again, 5 into m, that is multiplication. When 5 shift this side, it becomes division. So m is equals to minus 3 by 5, or m is equals to 5. So I have got here two values. First value is m is equals to minus 3 by 5, and second value is m is equals to 5. I think so you have understood this. Shifting to the next question. The third question is 3x square minus 2 under root 6x plus 2 is equals to 0. Again same condition, multiplying the first term and the last term, right? So 3 2s are 6. 6. So 3 2s are 6, 2 1s are 2. Very simple. So now I want the middle term by adding or multiplying this number. So what is for 6? That is under root 6 into under root 6. That is whole number 6. Now if I write under root 6 minus under root 6, this will become 1 and 1. 1 minus 1 becomes minus 2 under root 6. See, I got the middle term, right? So replacing this both number in the term of x. So that is 3x square minus under root 6x minus under root 6x plus 2 is equals to 0. Again, now pairing this both. Okay. So 3x square minus, I am going to split this under root 6, right? So under root 6 I can write in the form 2 into 3x. 2 3s are 6x, right? So again under root 6, 2 into 3x plus 2 is equals to 0, right? So again this both pairing and this both pairing. Now what is common in this? See, again I can simplify in the more manner, that is I can write 3 in the form 3x into 3x, right? Under root 3x into under root 3 minus 2 into 3 under root x, right? So what is common in this both number? Under root 3x, right? So what is left over here? Under root 3x minus under root 2. Again this term 2 into 3x plus under root 2 into under root 2x, right? So again minus, what is common here? Under root 2. So what is left over here? Under root 3x. This is minus I have taken common. So again minus under root 2, right? So bracket closes here is equals to 0. Again now what is the term? See, the leftover term outside the bracket, right? So I am going to take them both together. Under root 3x minus under root 2. This is first bracket. Another bracket, the both common bracket. In factorization, the common thing is what you know? both the bracket will be same, right? The number will be same. There won't be any change in the sign also. Is equals to 0. Again now, under root 3x is equals to under root 2, or under root 3x is equals to under root 2. Again, x is equals to under root 2 upon under root 3, or x is equals to under root 2 upon under root 3. I think so you have understood this question. Shifting to the next question. The fourth question is 25m square is equals to 9. See here, this sum is different than the other we have solved. Here 25m square is equals to 9. See here, 25 is also square of 5 and 9 is also square of 3. So what can you do here? This m square is equals to 9 by 25 and m is equals to, now m square, now m was the square and so in the form of square I have written 9 by 25. When I have taken a square root, so 9 is the square of 3 and 5 is the square of 25 is the square of 5. So this become m is equals to 3 by 5. So you can write here plus minus 3 by 5. That is m can be plus 3 by 5 or m can be minus 3 by 5. I think so you understood this question. Now next question. 7m square is equals to 21m. Now shifting 21m to this side. So this becomes 7m square minus 21m is equals to 0. Now what is common here? Is 21 divisible by 7? Obviously yes. So I am taking out 7 as common and m. So what is left here? M minus 3 is equals to 0. 7m is equals to 0 or m minus 3 is equals to 0. M is equals to 0 by 7 or m is equals to 3. That is m is equals to 0 or m is equals to 3. I got this both value for this question. Now shifting to the next question. M square minus 11 is equals to 0. See, m square minus 11 that is the form of a square minus b square. Right? Do you remember this formula a square minus b square? That is a minus b and a plus b. Simple. This is a square and this is b square. So m square minus 11 is equals to m minus, this is 11. So that will be under root 11 and m plus under root 11. So this will be m is equals to under root 11 or m is equals to minus under root 11. So your next exercise have been completed here. I think so you have understood this factorization method. Okay, bye.